Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my year 6 people. Year 6 Al-Ghazali and 6 Farabi. Okay, today's lesson will be still under Unit 1, reading A Window to the World. Okay, but today's lesson focus in a grammar part. In a grammar part. Okay, today's learning lesson will be punctuation, cursive writing, and compound words. Okay, what are they? Okay, let's go through. Okay, first punctuation. Okay, punctuation we have 6. Okay, we have 6. We have full stop, comma, question mark, capital letters, exclamation mark, and quotation mark. What are they? Okay, let me see. Okay, punctuation. Full stop, titik. Okay, full stop, just a dot. Okay, full stop is placed at the end of a complete sentence. Okay, this is the full stop. Alright. For example, I like to read story books. Full stop. Comma. Comma is used to separate phrases or item in a list. Example, my mom likes to cook fish, comma, chicken, comma, and beef. Question mark. Question mark is placed at the end of a sentence when asking questions. Example, do you like to read? Question mark. Capital letter. Capital letter is used to begin a sentence in proper nouns and in direct speech. Example, my favorite story is Jaws. Okay, capital letter J. Exclamation marks. Exclamation mark is placed at the end of a sentence to show strong emotion. Example, wow! Exclamation mark. I scored 2 goals! Exclamation mark. Quotation mark. Quotation mark is used in sentence or questions to indicate speech or conversation. Example, quotation mark, I want to go to school, comma, quotation mark, said Lina. Okay, so that's the punctuation we learned today. Okay, activity 1. Rewrite the sentences. Put a full stop, capital letter, question mark, quotation mark, and or comma. Okay, this activity is in your handouts. Okay, in your handouts. Right. Okay, the sentences are: number 1, Tan and his wife Jenny live in a village by the seaside. Okay, rewrite the sentences by using the correct punctuation. Okay, very good. Number 2, he was a fisherman and loved his job so much. Number 3, one day he caught some fish, prawn, and a huge octopus. Number 4, the octopus opened its mouth and started to talk. Number 5, can you throw me back into the sea, please? Asked the octopus. Number 6, he agreed when the octopus granted his wish. So rewrite all the 6 sentences using the correct punctuation. Understand? Okay, very good. Okay, activity 2. Do your exercise from your handouts, or you may rewrite these pages in your English 1 exercise book. Okay, this is still in your handouts that I gave you last week. Okay, rewrite the sentence, rewrite the pages by using the cursive writing. Okay, what is the cursive writing? Example of the cursive alphabet. Alright, how to write the cursive writing. Okay, these are two examples. Alright, okay, look at the pattern how the pupils write. Okay, for example, Hakim went to the park with his friend to play at the playground. So rewrite the sentence by using cursive writing. Alright, Hakim went to the park with his friends to play at the playground. Full stop. Okay, watch and listen carefully. Okay, now under the topic compound words. Waterfall. Ground, playground. Okay, now watch and you read the word. Okay, what is this? Bird house. Bird house. Alright. Okay, well done. Okay, those are the compound words. Okay, those are the compound words. Okay, I need you to name the picture. Right? Name the picture in your handouts. Okay. Okay, name the picture in your handouts. Okay. The compound words. Okay, and then below here, complete the following nouns. Okay, for example, ice, ice cream. Okay, and then we have lips, and so on. Okay, so these are the compound words. Okay, when you choose the compound word, remember, make sure the spelling, write in the correct spelling. Okay, the third activity will be you have to choose 5 compound words and write the sentences, simple sentences. Okay, you can choose either the compound word in the video or in your handout list. Okay, only 5 words. Okay, only 5, and write the simple sentence. For example, okay, raincoat. Okay, so how to write the sentence? My father wears his raincoat because it is raining heavily. Alright, so I need only 5 compound words and 5 simple sentences based on the compound word that you choose. Okay, Okay, do you got it? Okay, it's very simple grammar exercises. So you need to learn, and I need you to understand. Alright? Okay. So that's all for now. Okay. We will meet again next week. So remember to do your homework. Please do your homework. Okay. Please do your homework, and please PM me. Okay. As your parents, to PM me if you have already done your task. Okay. Because I need to list down. Okay. For those who are able to complete the exercise, and for those who are not able to complete the exercise, just the percentage. Okay, please do. Okay, please do the homework. Any problem, please PM me. Okay, so you are awesome. Everybody awesome. Your parents are awesome. Thanks. So we will meet again next week. Bye bye.